Here is how to delete your Hotmail account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Hotmail account. So let's start. First of all, open any browser and go to hotmail.com. Then after log into your account and you will come to a screen like this. Now on the top right side, you will find your profile photo. Tap on it. Then after go to my Microsoft account. It will take you to a screen like this. In order to delete your account, tap on the three dots on the right side of account on the top. Then after go to your info. Scroll below and you will find close account option. Tap on it. You will now enter a page with various instructions related to deleting your account. Scroll below and tap on continue. Then after it will take you to a screen like this. Keep on scrolling and tap on continue with closing your account. Then you will get this option to close your account. Tap on it. After that, enter the password of your account. Now log into your account and do as it says. After you enter the alternate email address, it will send a code to your address. Check the code and enter it. After you enter the code, tap on next. Now it will ask you to verify your identity. After that, enter your email address and tap on send code. Now it will send you the code once again. Enter the code. After completing all the steps, you will get a screen like this. Scroll below and tap on next. Now check mark all the boxes. Then after select the reason. Now finally tap on mark account for closure. As you finish completing the process, your Hotmail account will be closed and you will have 60 days in order to recover your account. So in this way you can easily delete your Hotmail account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.